All right, gang. A little rainy day project you may want to do. Anybody that's been doing this very long, you see your weld wires, your cable wires, they get hairy when you jam it inside there and tighten that set screw down on it. A way to alleviate that problem is to take you some of this shim stock. You're supposed to use copper, but all I got is brass, so we're gonna have to use brass. Get you a piece, cut you a little strip off, roll it up the best you can. The tools required for this job laying right here. You need an Allen wrench, cutters, pliers, screwdriver, set of needle nose, and a knife. Get that in there. Drop it down so far. Hustle them wires into the end the best you can. But make sure you put your end on the and get ready to do all that before you do it, because you'll be pissed. But then you re-hustle them all back down in there, shove it in. Tighten it down on it. Then pull this end out. Not too far. Put the set screw back in. Tighten it back down good. You got a good grounded connection. This Modem at Tire Creek Iron Works out.